There's a happy cat watching about a dozen birds on that bird feeder. Birds everywhere. Oh my. She's at least a dozen juncos on that tree right there. There's a feeder right there, and then there's the feeder that's moving back and forth. The one is a suet cake. That's where those birds are. The one to the right there that's flipping back and forth has birdseed in it. But they're having a wonderful time, and he's having quite a wonderful time watching them. That's a real nice looking bunch of birds right there. That's birdie dinner for that boy.